Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to learn how to turn off auto dubbing for your videos in YouTube. Now for this you have to go to your YouTube channel and go to settings. In settings, when you go to upload defaults, go to advanced settings and over here you can see automatic dubbing section. If you tick this, all your videos which are in some native language will get automatically dubbed to the respective languages of the viewer. Or if you want to manually review dubs, then you can select this option and click on save likewise. What are you option you opt for, right? So that's the way you can turn off automatic dubbing and click on save, and now automatic dubbing by YouTube will be turned off for all your videos, right? So that's how you can approach and proceed with turning off automatic dubbing. I hope this was useful. In case of any more queries, drop your queries in the comment section of this video. Do like the video and subscribe to our channel in case you haven't till date.